Okay, cool. So today we're going to talk about muscle reflexes. So here we have a bicep and a tricep here in our arm, and we have here the dorsal area of our spine. Here is the ventral, and here are some inner neurons. So during our daily life, as we're moving our muscles, or whether we're exercising or we're picking stuff up, we'll have reflexes that happen according to how our muscles feel in order to protect our tendons, which are these blue little objects here. And so in order to protect them, one of the ways that we're able to protect them is to this. This is known as the Golgi. This Golgi receptor is able to send signals into our spine to help us protect our tendons. So let's say the bicep here is being used a lot, so it's contracting a lot. That causes the tendon to be pulled or stretch. And so as it stretches, sometimes it reaches a point where it doesn't want to stretch anymore because it feels like it can tear or rip. So what happens is the Golgi sends that, and it sends a signal to the DRG horn, which sends a signal to the EPSP and the IPSP interneurons. And so these send signals here to these two to work. So what the IPSP does, it sends an inhibitory cell or inhibitory signal through alpha motor neurons into the bicep to tell it, stop contracting, we need you to stop. While the EPSP sends a signal to the tricep, which is a reciprocal muscle, to contract, saying, hey, we need you to contract, that way this one doesn't break. And this is known as reciprocal activation. It is a type of autogenic inhibition, and since that's spelled like this, autogenic inhibition, reciprocal activation. I spelled that wrong. Reciprocal activation. And since it's a type of autogenic inhibition, and this sends everything to the CNS, it does not get sent to the brain. This is a reflex that happens only in the spinal cord, and between that and our muscles that are in jeopardy, which right now that'd be the bicep and the tricep.
Okay, question. Where is the type 1B fiber to innervate?
The type 1B fibers, they innervate here, and they send the signal through this towards the CNS.
Yes, sensory neuron that travel towards the CNS through dorsal root ganglia. Very good.
Yes.
Where are the interneurons?
The interneural, these are the interneurons.
Okay, which chemical release? So IPSP release which chemical?
The IPSP releases glycine.
Yeah, glycine. And the EPSP release?
Glutamate.
Okay. Where are the motor neurons?
The motor neurons are around here. This is the motor neuron here, and it uses alpha neurons to propagate the action potential here.
Okay. So what activates the Golgi tendon?
The Golgi tendon is activated by the stretching of the tendon here that it's connected to, a pulling or a stretch.
So Golgi tendon is response to stretch of the muscle or contraction of the muscle?
Contraction of the muscle.
Tendon activates inside of the Golgi tendon and stimulate them is a type 1B fiber. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you.